Kundalini, brain and nervous system transformation. This topic is more about transforming yourself by working on your brain and nervous system. Till now I have discussed in many topics or many guidance connected to healing the brain, healing the nervous system. But right now I want to teach you another dimension of transforming your brain and nervous system towards living a new kind of life that is completely based on your neural pathway training. You have to train your brain and nervous system in a new way to live life. You have so far known only the ways the society, matrix, civilization have taught you regarding how to live a life in the matrix, in the society, in the world. I want to take you to the journey of diagnosis and also the journey of just structurally see what has happened to you, how you have evolved and what kind of functions you are doing in the world. First of all, wherever you are born in the world, ultimately you are a product of the matrix. Your father, your mother, your parents have given birth to you. They have created a product you and they have invested in this product. How do they invest in this product and why do they invest? I will tell you very much truth, the truth that it is bitter, the truth is extremely bitter, but this is the truth. They create a product by unconscious sex and then they keep on nurturing that product, invest in that product. They provide you education, they provide you all the degrees, colleges, all the expenses that you bear as a human being, and you actually consume a lot till the time you turn around 20 or 25 years of age. Most parents in developed countries, maybe they make the person independent to earn on their own by the age they reach 18. But in other underdeveloped countries or developing countries, the son or the daughter remains with the parents till their 50 or 60 years of age. And during this entire cycle of living with them, first they make you into a product who can do a job exclusively. Your entrepreneurial spirit or the enterprising spirit is never nurtured, and then you do job, you earn salary, you invest in the matrix, you bear the expenses of your parents, and all this cycle is going on. So in every civilization over centuries, this is the norm and you are one of the products of this, the so-called norm. Let me tell you, according to Kundalini, this is all bullshit. This is all nonsense. Kundalini herself, being the life force, knows how to nurture you into an individual who is powerful enough to live your own life. And for that, Kundalini works on different layers of your existence. And the first primary layer for which Kundalini needs you to be invested is your brain and nervous system. Kundalini wants your brain to be a brand new. And that is why the entire process of Kundalini awakening is all about erasing all your old pathways. Whatever challenges you are going through right now in your awakening journey, the nervous system issues, the neurosis issues that you are suffering is all because the memory of the old self is being erased by Kundalini. And if you progress, if you want Kundalini's progress, your progress as a new individual, you will allow this process to happen. And that is why often Kundalini awakening is termed as the metamorphosis process. This metamorphosis process from larva to butterfly happens to you from the old being to the new being. There is nothing esoteric. All the spiritual context or the learnings that you know about Kundalini is all nonsense. I myself have gone through the procedural way of Kundalini of transforming me step by step, and over 25 plus years I am working on my brain and nervous system continuously and observing what is happening to me in this process. I am now no more the same person I was 25 years ago when Kundalini first awakened in me, and I have been born with a awakened Kundalini. I know from my early age what level of consciousness I have been carrying, and after a certain stage it was full blown Kundalini, and from that day onwards I have only worked on my nervous system, brain, and I have made use of the resources present on the earth. This mountain, these hills, the nature, the green trees, everything I have made use of for the last 25 years. Wherever I was born or wherever I was brought up, I had made sure that I make use of the natural resources there, and that is why my intelligence is too high than any one of you, and that intelligence, access to that intelligence, I want to give it to you. I don't make you my follower. I just work with my students, transform them, empower them to be their best potential self. I bring out the best in you. I bring out the potential possibilities in you through working on your brain and nervous system, by transforming your brain and nervous system. And this was the topic which I started to make. I just gave you this background information to understand the intensity of work you need to do, because brain and nervous system transformation will not happen without the guru and without repetitions of the right way of living. For example, you have learned the wrong way of living. You have been taught, just one example, to keep your belly inside and make your posture look like a model and walk like this. Straight posture has been taught in many civilizations, that this is the most elegant posture. This is the most horrible posture taught by civilization to you. The actual posture is to let loose of your belly, and the spine curve should be maintained. Your buttock should be out, your lower back should be in, your belly should be up like this. A curve should be maintained, the S curve should be maintained, and when we walk it should be like this, very open position. Your hand should move like this. This is the instinctive position of walking. When you are going up, this should come out, your diaphragm should be out, and when we walk like this, your solar plexus is activated, your chakras remain open. When your S curve is maintained, your Kundalini flows through the Sushumna Nadi, and all this retraining of your brain is required to process Kundalini. Otherwise you will not transform. You will just become a victim of the society and the matrix, that you are going through a horrible phase of spiritual awakening, which is called and labeled as dark night of the soul. Yes, there is dark night of the soul, but there is brightness also. The sun shines after this darkness. I have seen cases, decades of spending in loneliness, in solitude, not working on your brain and nervous system, and blaming the entire universe for this transformation. Many come to me with horrible kinds of addictions. What they have done during their spiritual awakening journey, they have become addicted, and now they are blaming Kundalini, they are blaming the universe for this transformation. Kundalini awakening actually is a beautiful journey if you are ready for the transformation. Nobody can bring about the kind of evolution Kundalini brings about. It changes you into a new species, it changes you into a new being. With the brain and nervous system transformation, I work on your evolution, and if you are interested, then you will be geared and shifted with this video. When you watch this video, a shift will happen in you, and that shift will be enough for you to decide for yourself. All right, so this is just the beginning, more to come, because the transformation takes time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.